When? Negative 110 million years. Event. Osedax evolved by feeding on large marine reptile skeletons. Reference. Facts in Motion. Zombie worm. When? Negative 105 million years. Event. Tibet was closer to the equator. Reference. USGS. Himalayas. Notes. Layers of pink sandstone containing grains of magnetic minerals, magnetite, have been found 50 kilometers or 31 miles north of Lhasa, Tibet. These sandstones contain plant and animal fossils that were deposited when the Tethys Sea periodically flooded the region, and have also recorded the pattern of the Earth's flip-flopping magnetic field. When? Negative 100 to negative 10 million years. Event. Saturn is pre-ring with an extra moon and resembles its outer planet siblings more. Reference. BBC Earth Lab. Saturn's rings. Notes. The extra moon was about 400 kilometers in diameter and entirely made of ice, but its orbit brings it too close within Saturn's Roche limit, causing Saturn's gravity to become stronger than the moon's own, meaning the part of the moon nearest to Saturn started to fall towards Saturn instead of towards the moon's own core. Since then, Saturn's other moons have carved and plowed the gaps we see between the rings. The rings are wider than Jupiter, but average just 10 meters or 31 feet thick. Most are less than a meter thick, but there are plowed ring piles that measure over 2 miles high alongside the moonitary orbits. When? Negative 86 million years. Event. Earth began tipping over on its side. Reference. Business Insider. Earth tipped over. Notes. Prior to the late Cretaceous, the Pacific Plate, the largest tectonic plate on Earth spanning 40 million square miles, 103.6 million square kilometers or 5.7 square light minutes, under the Pacific Ocean, was sinking under another plate to its north. Earth's crust can shift like this depending on how weight is distributed across the planet's surface and what mantle plumes are pushing upwards against the plates. According to Slotsnik, upwellings of hot rock and magma, known as mantle plumes, from the outer core towards the crust may have played a role in altering how Earth's mass was distributed during the late Cretaceous. Donate on Patreon!